Load in your avatar. I will be using one coal. Export the avatar into a designated folder. Only export the avatar, otherwise the textures will be messed. It's important to name your textures so it's easier to import them into Blender. You're going to upload the skin textures into Big JPEG using these settings. It takes a while to get the textures ready, so go set up the scene in Blender while it's processing the texture. On your rig, select the head and use the upscaled texture you just downloaded. The texture can also be placed on some hats to make them look way cooler and smooth.